नमस्ते बिटियाओं, सदा खुश रहिए और स्वस्थ रहिए। माई सेल्फ JVN ब्रिजेश कुमार यादव, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मेथोडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. I welcome to all of you in my digital class. Students, today I have prepared this lecture for BSc BA ZBC second sem students. Paper name is Diversity of Crypto Games. Topic is Rhinia. Students, so far we have completed almost 80% of our syllabus, out of which we have studied bryophyta, characteristic features, and all those genera of the bryophyta. Similarly, in pteridophyta we have studied general character classification and all those genera which are included in syllabus. Okay, now students, we are going to study some new topics which are remaining in your syllabus, and these topics are from paleology, that is in botany, that is paleobotany, means study of fossil plants. Okay, in your syllabus there is an ample amount of content like types of fossils, what are fossils, fossilization process, radioactive carbon dating, how this radioactive carbon dating help to find out the age of fossils, and some of the genera. In your syllabus only two genera are there, Rhinia and Lepidodendron. So these two are the genera which you have to study in detail. Students, frankly speaking, due to the lack of time, I could not prepare some of the topics related to fossilization, and that's why I am directly skipping two genera, that is Rhinia and Lepidodendron. I will prepare later on those topics. Okay, so today we'll have to study Rhinia, and the content of my lecture will be classification. As usual, we have studied introduction, external morphology, internal structure, then followed by reproduction. Okay, so this is the pattern of our study which we have followed so far. So let's start with classification of Rhinia. As you all know, we are dealing with plants, so kingdom will be Plantae. Division is Tracheophyta. Tracheo means trachea and vessels. It is related to trachea and vessels. So division is Tracheophyta. Class is Rhinopsida. Order is Rhiniales. Family is Rhiniaceae. And genus is Rhinia. Now introduction. Then this Rhinia is the simplest extinct vascular plant. Means extinct means they are no more present now. Okay, they are in the form of fossils. Thousands years ago they were existing on the land, but nowadays they are no more. Okay, that's why they are extinct and they are in fossil forms, and they are vascular cryptogams. That's why the division was that was Tracheophyta. Okay, means they have tracheids. So they are pteridophytes and simplest. And the scientist who has discovered, Sir William Dawson, and he has discovered it from Devonian period of Paleozoic age. Student, this Devonian period, Paleozoic, these are the terms which are frequently used in geographical scale distribution, which we have not studied so far, but don't mind it, don't bother about it. For time being, you just remember Devonian period and Paleozoic age. Okay, and this Rania found at USA, Scotland, Norway, and Belgium. Some other investigators are Dr. Mackey, Dr. Kingston, and Professor Long. And so far, there are only two species of Rania identified. One is major, and other is Rania guani wughani. Okay. Now, external morphology. In morphological nature, it is herbaceous, and in diagram we can see clearly there are two species of Rania. A is major and B is Rania guani. Rania major is little bit longer in height, having 50 centimeter length. Diameter is 1.5 to 6 nm, and it has aerial suit which is smooth, whereas other species is shorter in comparison to major, nearly 20 centimeter in long, 1 to 3 mm in diameter, and shoot has adventitious branches. Now, other characters, roots are absolutely absent, and at the roots they have rhizoids. Aerial stems are dichotomously branched and taper, and at the tip of the branch there is a solitary terminal sporangia, which is the sexual reproductive organ. Now, in anatomy, this Rania rhizome is composed of epidermis, cortex, and stele. This stele you can see in diagram that epidermis is thick and covered by thin cuticle layer. There is a presence of stomata. Cortex is differentiated into outer and inner cortex, and it has intracellular space with chloroplast. Endodermis and pericycle are exclusively absent, and there is a protostele. The stele is protostele, and xylem made up of annual tracheids, and there were no sieve in phloem. Now, sexually reproductive organs, that is sporangia, which are formed at the tip of the stem, and sporangia are branched, oval and cylindrical. When you see the LS of sporangium, you will find that outer layer of sporangium is epidermis. There is a presence of tapetum, which is nutritive in nature. It has tetrahedral homospore. Students, you might be knowing that we have studied homosporous and heterosporous. Some of the pteridophytes are homosporous like Equisetum, whereas Selaginella was heterosporous. Okay, there is no evidence of gametophyte. Okay, so students, this is the diagram of TS of sporangia, single sporangium. C is spore tetrad and spores. So students, in this way we have completed Rania. On next turn we will study next fossil, that is Lepidodendron. Thank you very much.